Hey guys, figured I'd share some of the tools I picked up just recently. Some today, yesterday, and earlier, throughout the month. I didn't get a chance to play with yet. Picked these up at Home Depot today. These are on clearance. These were $7.50, down from $30. So they didn't have the SE. This is just the metric. They had these Gorilla sponges for $2 for a pair. Figured they'll come in handy. Saw a review on these from Tony the technician, and figured I'd pick them up. They were $10 for the pair, so a pretty good deal. They feel, just holding them like this without even opening it up, pretty sturdy. Picked these up, for obvious reasons. Needed the, for my impact gun. I didn't have a real awl. This was like $5, so I figured I'd grab that instead of the makeshift one I have. Always wanted an apron. These have nice reviews, and it was pretty cheap. It was like $12, so I figured I'd grab that. $10 for the flag. This weekend, or this week rather, they have the sale going on. This year, this was an amazing find. This is the Husky 432 piece mechanics tool set. I got it on clearance for $100. I don't know how, I don't know why, but at my Home Depot here in South Jersey, it's $100. So I couldn't pass it up. I have the Cobalt 432 piece, which is in my tool cart, and so now I actually have two sets. That'll go, in my regular toolbox, throughout my garage. But $100, I just couldn't pass it up. The theme of this is clearance stuff. At Lowe's, the Stanleys were all on clearance. They were like $5 a piece, and these are the 12 points. I don't have any 1/4 inch 12 points. Not that you really need them, but figured for that price I couldn't pass it up. This is a light duty Irwin Vice from Lowe's. That's going to go on this table. These tables here are the Husky 62 inch adjustable height work tables. So they're pretty cool. They're very mobile. They go up and down. They get up pretty high and go down pretty low. For me, I'm 6'2", so that works nice for my back. Harbor Freight. These were $9.99 a piece. The 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4. I have the old school torque wrench, the rail, but I got to change out a blade on my lawnmower, so this will work nice, or come in handy. Got the bearing race. These were $40. I have to replace some bearings in my trailer for my boat. Moving on to, this is the tool cart, or rather the welder cart from Harbor Freight. This was like $35. I picked this up because I also picked the 90 amp flux wire welder for $89. So kind of went on a bit of a spending spree, but You know, this is a newer garage. It's not even a year old yet, so I'm just kind of getting all the stuff I want for it. You know, this is still getting everything sorted out. So, Amazon, I ordered Tecton stuff. The door handle on my wife's Chrysler broke, so I got to pop that off. I'm going to go to Harbor Freight and get the other two attachments, or, you know, push pin pullers and poppers, whatever you want to call them. Scraper from Tecton. These were fairly cheap. I don't remember what I paid for them. This bad boy here, I got this before I came across that. But this is the Tecton complete 1/2 inch 6-point set. And let me see. I don't want that to knock that over. It will. Hold on. So, you know, it's a pretty substantial set. You know, it goes from 3/8 on the SAE all the way up to, I can't see, 7/8. You know, in both deep and shallow. Metric goes from 10 all the way up to 32. Both in deep and shallow. Comes with a breaker bar, 72 tooth ratchet, an extension. This one's a little bit pricey. This is $200, but it comes with a lifetime warranty, of course. Nice blow molded case. I got this because the main set that I have over there in my tool cart, that's all 12-point in the 1/2 inch. Then also on Amazon, I went with the Gearwrench. This is all the 1/4 inch. It's a nice set. This was $100, and it goes from 4 to 15 in metric, both in deep and shallow. And then here it goes from 3/16 to 9/16, both in deep and shallow. So, you know, for the my little impact gun, this is awesome. And then here's another big boy. This is from Northern Tool, clutch, and this is chromoly 94 piece. You know, impact in 3/8 and 1/2 inch. It's pretty cool. This goes from 7/16 up to 1 1/4. I'm not going to have good lighting. Let me see. Let me get my flashlight. So we've got 3/4 inch up here. Looks like it goes down to 5/16 and 3/8. These are chromoly. I'm not doing a really good review here of these, but these are a good set. Haven't used them yet. This set was on sale for $179. So I figured I'd share the new toys I got with you guys. What I paid for them. Seems like there's a lot of clearance sales going on right now. Oh, forgot about these. So, snap ring pliers. I use these already to I had to lube my ratchets. But there's a set of 4. These so far from just the one-time use, they seem pretty nice. They were again pretty reasonable. Seen a review on these, which are really nice. These are 3/8 and the 1/2-inch manual. They come in handy for brakes and other old fasteners and things like that. You need to whack it. I guess that's it, really. Like I said, I figured I'd just share what I got, and I could put it away. Can't wait to tear this open. Like I said, this is going to go in my bigger toolbox, over there, and then I have a little Craftsman set that I had in there for years. I'll take that and put that in my basement. All right, guys. If you're watching this far, thanks for watching.